Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh students. So today I will be teaching your English your unit 8C reading, that is a letter from Mother Earth. Dear children, all of you are bright children, you know me well. For centuries, poets and great thinkers have written in praise of me. They call me Mother Earth with love and affection. That is because for hundreds of years I have taken good care of people, just as mother takes care of her children. So this particular lesson is letter from a Mother Earth, a letter from Mother Earth. That is how a Earth is writing a letter to her children, that is the residents of the Earth. And what she is saying in the first paragraph: dear children, all are your my bright children, and you know me for all the centuries that have been passed. Poets and great scholars have praised me, and they have also written a lot of love and affection about me. They have given me the name as Mother Earth, and I have taken a good care of the people on me, just like the mother takes care of her children. Now, do you know how old I am? I am 4.6 billion years old, much older than your father, your grandfather, and any of your great grandfathers. I give you food to eat like rice, wheat, and fruits. You also wear clothes made of cotton and live in houses made of leaves, wood, and bricks, all of which come from me long ago. Humans used to worship me as a goddess, and they used to care for me. But now they have big access to cut my trees down, and cars and buses to pollute my air with smoke and fumes. So what he is saying, what the Mother Earth is saying to us, now you know how old I am. I am like 4.6 billion years old, and you must know that, know that I am old than any old than any of your great grandfather or any of your great grandfather or grandfather, and no one is older than me. I have provided you with the rice, wheat, and everything that you wish for, but nowadays you people are just cutting my trees down. You're just polluting my air with the fumes and the smokes. And there was a time that you used to worship my like a goddess. Now you're just disrespecting me and dishonoring me. Now they don't respect me anymore. You teacher must have told you how many forests and mountains have to make rain and keep life on the earth going. But nowadays, even my mountains and forests are being destroyed. You humans are yourselves destroying my bountiful forest and making my lands barren. Don't you understand that I need them to give you enough rain? Without rain, you will not have any food to survive. I am very sad about it. What is being done to me. This is why I am talking to you. You will all grow up and become good citizens, and I want you to take care of me. Plant more trees in your houses, in your schools, and your towns and villages. Think now, after all, you have just one Mother Earth. I trust you. You will take care of me well. Yours lovingly, Mother Earth. Now, she's saying that how just now I said you that we people are not respecting our mother earth, neither we are honoring. Okay, now she's also explaining that how teachers explain you that how this rains are important, how forests and mountains are important to keep the life on the earth. They give you like mountains and forests help in maintaining the ecological balance. Not only that, they also help. They are also helpful for, they are also the home for many birds and animals. But since now we are just destroying forests and mountains, the lands are also getting destroyed, and we are suffering with lot of imbalance between our ecological system. So now you don't understand the consequences that you will face for the rain, and if you don't have enough rain, there won't be enough food that you can eat. Now this is very bad situation or very bad consequences that you will be facing in future. Now this is the time that you should start planting the trees in your houses, villages, schools, and buildings, etc., so that After all, you have only just one Mother Earth and take care of her. So she is explaining in the letter that how we should need to take care of our earth by planting more trees, by making less pollution and everything. So we should take care of our earth and we should not pollute it, so that this earth can last for several years and our future generation can see the earth rather than a dust ball. So hope everyone have understood this lesson. I shall continue in the next class. Allah Hafiz students.